Kia ora team, my name is Mr. Dharma and today I'm going to talk to you about basic differentiation. Basic differentiation is the way of finding the gradient function. So suppose I had a function f of x is equal to x squared plus 7x. What I could do is I could find the gradient function using this little rule. We multiply by the power and then take 1 off the power. Right? If we follow this rule, we can get the gradient function. And I'm going to use this notation, f dashed of x, which means the gradient function. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by the power, so 2 times x squared, we've got to take 1 off the power, plus 1 times 7, but we've got to take 1 off the power. And so our final answer is going to be 2x plus 7. Okay, in this middle step, you don't typically need to include. So let's try another few using this rule. So if I gave you y equals x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x, we can write y dashed. This is another notation that we could use for differentiation. We multiply by the power and we take 1 off the power. We multiply by the power and we take 1 off the power, and we multiply by the power and we take 1 off the power. Notice that a cubic differentiates to a quadratic, and a quadratic differentiates to a linear function. Right? What's the other notation we could use? We could use the same y, but we can write something different. So here we go. Suppose I had something with fractions this time. Hopefully it doesn't cause too much confusion. So let's have a go. dy by dx is equal to, once again, this is another notation for gradient function. Multiply by the power, take 1 off the power. The fractions denominator can stay as is and we don't need to worry about it. Multiply by the power, take 1 off the power, multiply by the power, take 1 off the power. Okay, and the denominators can just stay there. I hope this helps and keep watching these videos.